Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix 5G not working after iOS 26 update. Don't worry, I'll have got you covered. So let's start the video. Solution 1. Check if 5G is turned on. Go to Settings app. Tap on Mobile Services. Here make sure that mobile data is turned on. After that, tap on Business option. Then tap Voice and Data. Make sure 5G Auto or 5G On is selected. Solution 2. Refresh your network with airplane mode. Open the Settings app. Turn on airplane mode. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This gives your iPhone a little network refresh. Solution 3. Update your carrier settings. Go to Settings app. Then tap on General. Tap About. If you see a carrier update pop up, tap Update. This makes sure your iPhone is fully optimized for your carrier's 5G network. Solution 4. Reset network settings. If nothing is working, try resetting your network. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings. Again tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. This will raise saved Wi-Fi and VPNs, but it usually fixes stubborn 5G issues. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.